is 341. 341 is the same thing as 300 plus 40 plus 1. And 300 is C. That's 100 3 times. 40 is XL. And 1 is I. Good. So 341 is CCCXLI. How about the last question right there? 674. 674 is the same thing as 500 plus 100, which is 600, then plus 70, then plus 4. And that will give us 600 is DC, because 500 is D and 100 is C. Then 70 is 50L, then plus 20, which is XX. And then 4 is IV. So 674 is DCL, XXS, IV. Very, very simple. So this is how to write in Roman numerals, Hindu Arabic numerals. Is that clear? Now the next example we're going to be looking at is how to write the Roman numerals in Hindu Arabic numeral. Alright, so right here we are asked to find in Hindu Arabic numerals the following Roman numerals. So how do you go about it? The first question right there is XLV. We are supposed to write it in Hindu Arabic numeral. To do that, don't say 10 plus 50 plus 5. No. If a less symbol comes before a particular symbol, then it means they are together. So since X is 10 and L is 50, and we're having 10 before 50, that means we're saying 50 minus 10, and that will be equal to 40. Then plus V, which is 5. So that will give us 45. Very simple. Next is, this will help you not to cram, so that if you see any number written in Hindu Arabic numeral, you can tell its equivalent in Roman numerals. And if you see any number in Roman numerals, you can tell its equivalence in Hindu Arabic numerals. So we have LX, IX. Here we have L, which is 50, plus X, which is 10, plus IS. Remember I told you if a letter comes before another letter and that letter is less than the other letter, they are together. So IX is 9, not 1, then plus X. So this will give us 69. Is that clear? Next we have CSC. C is 100. X is 10. But 10 is coming before 100 again, so it means they are together. So 10 minus 100 is 90. So that will be equal to 190. Next, we have DCCIII. D is 500. C is 100. C is 100. Then III is 3. And that will be 500 plus 100 plus 100, 700 plus 3, 703. And then the last question there, we have M, D, C, C, S, C. Now M is 1000. D is 500, CC is 200, SC is 90. So having 1790. So this is how to write in Hindu Arabic numerals numbers that are written in Roman numerals. So if you have your numbers in Roman numerals, this is how you can change it to Hindu Arabic equivalents or the Hindu Arabic numerals. Now, essentially, I think I'd like you to take note of the fact that there are two ways numbers can actually be written. Numbers can be written in figures and numbers can be written in words. Now, writing numbers in figures is how we come about the use of numerals, which is symbols. All right, but generally we use the Hindu Arabic numerals for writing numbers in figures. The Roman numerals essentially is mostly used in listing of items, in just itemization. But writing numbers in figures is the Hindu Arabic numeral that is mostly employed for that. For instance, if you want to write 100 in figures, that would be 100 like this. But if you want to write 100 in words, you will need to use your understanding of English to write it out this way. 100. So it is very, very important for you to take note of that. Of course, this is basically part of your primary school work, where you are told that ONE is 1, TWO is 2, THREE is 3, FOUR is 4, FIVE is 5, SIX is 6, SEVEN is 7, EIGHT is 8, NIN is 9, and TEN is 10. And so the list continues. ELEVEN is 11, and so on. Alright, so but this is not actually the focus. You may wish to watch my other videos for this level in order for you to understand how to write in words and how to write in figures.